Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Troubleshooting command Python not found, error in Python. Introduction. Encountering the command Python not found error can be frustrating for Python users, especially when trying to execute Python scripts or commands in their terminal. This error typically indicates that the system is unable to locate the Python interpreter. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to diagnose and resolve this issue. In this tutorial, we'll explore the common causes of this error and provide step-by-step solutions to fix it. Causes of the error. Solution. Follow these steps to resolve the command Python not found error. Check Python installation. Open your terminal or command prompt and type. If Python is installed correctly, you should see the version number. If not, you need to install Python. Visit the official Python website, https://www.python.org, to download and install the latest version appropriate for your operating system. Verify Python installation directory. Once Python is installed, ensure that the directory containing the Python executable is added to the path environment variable. On Unix-based systems, Linux, Mac OS, you can check the path variable by typing. Verify that the directory containing Python, usually /usr/local/bin, is listed in the output. If not, you need to add it to the path. You can do this by modifying your shell configuration file, example /.bashrc, /.bash_profile, /.zshrc, and adding the following line. Replace /path/to/python/bin with the actual path to the directory containing the Python executable. Verify Python installation on Windows. On Windows, the Python installer typically adds Python to the path automatically. However, if you encounter the error, you can manually check the path variable. Ensure that the directory containing Python, usually c:\pythonxx, where XX represents the version number, is listed in the output. If not, you need to add it to the path manually through the system settings. Check virtual environment activation. If you're working within a virtual environment, ensure that it is activated before running Python commands. Activate the virtual environment by navigating to its directory and running. Conclusion. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to resolve the command Python not found error and execute Python commands without any issues. Remember to ensure that Python is installed correctly, the path variable is configured properly, and any virtual environments are activated as needed. ChatGPT.